Hello everyone, let's talk about upgrading the memory in your HP Z2 Mini G9 workstation. Specifically, we're looking at the Arch Memory 16GB DDR5 SATA module, model number 4M9Y5AA. This little stick of RAM promises to boost your workstation's performance. And after putting it through its paces, here's the lowdown. First off, this is a DDR5 module running at a speedy 4,800 MHz. That translates to faster data access and snappier overall performance compared to older DDR4 memory. The PC5-38400 specification ensures it can handle the bandwidth demands of modern applications. With a CAS latency of 40, it strikes a good balance between speed and responsiveness. Installation is straightforward, as you'd expect with a SATA module. Just pop it into the appropriate slot in your HP Z2 Mini G9, and you're good to go. The 1.1V operating voltage is standard for DDR5, so it shouldn't put any undue strain on your system's power supply. The key benefit here is the increased memory capacity. Bumping up to 16 GB allows you to handle larger datasets, run more applications simultaneously, and generally experience a smoother workflow, especially if you're working with memory-intensive tasks like video editing, 3D modeling, or scientific simulations. Arch Memory emphasizes the use of rugged, Tier 1 IC chipsets in their modules. This is important for both performance and reliability. You want memory that can withstand the rigors of daily use and provide consistent performance over the long haul. The built for performance and security claims suggest that these modules are designed with data integrity in mind, which is crucial for workstation environments. One of the most reassuring aspects of this product is the lifetime replacement warranty. This demonstrates the manufacturer's confidence in the quality and durability of their memory modules. Knowing that you're covered in case of any defects or failures provides peace of mind and makes this a worthwhile investment. In summary, the Arch Memory 16GB DDR5 SATA is a solid upgrade option for your HP Z2 Mini G9 workstation. It offers a noticeable performance boost, utilizes quality components, and comes with a lifetime warranty. If you're looking to enhance the responsiveness and multitasking capabilities of your workstation, this memory module is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.